Yeah, changing front shock absorbers, dampers on a Royal alloy. That sits nice and low, doesn't it? Right, can you see what I'm doing?
Yeah, of course.
Where do these go in? Yes, like that. Yeah, changing front shock absorbers, dampers on a Royal alloy. This top bolt is a Torx. It's a T30, and the inside, the bits need to have a hole in them. That's what they're called, a security bit. These are quite tight, but thankfully they've come undone. I don't know how much tension this is on, but anyway.
Is it broken?
No, not broken, he's just changing them. It's sunk. Oh, the fucking bolt, is it? Oh, never. Okay. How's that supposed to work then? It fits on there. And that fits on there. They're all the same size. Jesus Christ. Oh, it's too small to go on there. I've got to push.
Some better.
Right, I've got to push these centre bushes out because they're a different diameter. So let's just... Right, what I've done, using my vise, socket on that side, the new sleeve on this side, and just close my vise up, and it pushes the new sleeve in and the old one out. Right, need 3 hands really. Once you've got it locked in, and it's just a matter of winding it in, and I'm just going to put just got that in there flush. Right, it's not a huge amount of kilometres or miles on this, and these are the original dampers. There's, say, that rubber bush is quite possibly split in there, but they're no better or worse than the ones that are on these new fancy.
Can you see the light?
Oh, I'll lift the bloody thing up. And see, maybe the other side's restricting its movement, so I'm going to take that one off. And the thing probably collapses right on its arse.
You need something underneath, like,
Oh dear. That sits nice and low, doesn't it? I'm going to scoot her up. This side's come up.
ouch.
Loctite on this top securing bolts.
I cannot see that.
I'll do it that side, so
Okay.
right. It'll drop the Loctite. That one. And likewise with this lower nut. This is actually a bolt that passes through, not a stud. 17mm spanner on the inside. Nice and tight. Just check. Boy. Happy with that. And check the other side by hand. They're nice and tight. Okay,
Done?
fairly straightforward. There's a couple of away. This would be to adjust the spring to your choosing. That's for the owner to adjust, see how he feels with it at the standard setting. All right.